Look at my new beard. It sticks. That's why it's called my sticky tack beard. Look, touching it. Sorry. My beard is just kind of hurting, so yeah. Look at my beard. Ah, it's hard to pull it off, so. Look at my new beard. Look at it. It can move place to place. It can move to someone else's beard. Look at this. Ah, you want to have my beard? Oh, there you go. I'll bugger it up. Thank you for watching. Vincent!